The musical alphabet consists of 7 letters.
Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, si.
Do is represented by C, Re by D, Mi by E, Fa by F, Sol by G, La by A, Si by B. Clockwise, the notes become higher in pitch.
Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, si, do.
Anticlockwise, the notes become lower in pitch.
Do, si, la, sol, fa, mi, re, do.
If you can answer all of the following questions correctly, you have learned the musical alphabet. Which letter represents the note sol? G. Which note is represented by the letter D? Re. Which letter represents the note C? B. Which note is represented by the letter F? Fa. Which letter represents the note Do? Si. Which note is represented by the letter A? La. Which letter represents the note Mi? E. Which note comes after Re? Mi. Which note comes before La? Sol. Which note comes after Sol? La. Which note comes before Do? Si. Which note comes after Mi? Fa. Which note comes before Si? La. Which note comes after Fa? Sol. If you want to learn how to read musical notes on the 5-line staff, along with lots of useful content using easy and creative methods, click on the next video. Please like, comment, and subscribe if you liked the video.